Hello and welcome to another update video about XRP. On the XRP chart, I don't want to talk about the larger time frame. We did that yesterday. So if you're interested in the bigger picture, also about the larger time frame, how the triangle develops on the larger time frame, yeah, check out the last video. I only made it yesterday. It is still pretty much up to date, but I wanted to explain to you, let's say, the microstructure that is developing here at the moment on the chart. 1 second, just need to change something here just in parallel on the second screen. Yeah, so I just want to explain to you here the microstructure. And my interpretation is that XRP has not yet managed to form a 5-wave move up. There is some subjectivity to this. It is possible we already have 5 waves up. Again, this is really just microstructure. It's not so important. We could still see a move down and it's holding a higher low. The problem is when we're dealing with these altcoins, sometimes the microstructures are really messed up. So I wouldn't really go that way, but I know a lot of people are interested in the microstructures. The bottom line is that Bitcoin has formed a 5-wave move up, a possible 5-wave move up on a smaller time frame. So it is, for me, the leading chart. Now, Bitcoin could have started now a wave 2 pullback after a first 5-wave move up, and a top of sorts might be in. That might be the case here for XRP as well. So my interpretation is just that we might still see another high here for a 5-wave move. Don't be surprised if we get one. We might not get it. It might have formed already. See, that's where the microstructures are not so helpful, but this is possible. Yeah, a 5-wave move up. The question is, what is this? It's just sideways consolidation. Either way, I've added already a support region because of this uncertainty on the smaller time frames. So it is absolutely possible that this here is a 5-wave move. Maybe we get another high, so I can put that onto the chart with a question mark. This is where we need to be flexible. This view can change. It can always change on a smaller time frame, especially. More important than the actual microstructure is what is support. And the support area is between 44.9 cents and 48.4 cents. So what does that mean? It means that if we now get a pullback of sorts, which we might get, yeah, I'm talking about quite a nice rebound, yeah, and a reversal in the larger support region here after that earthquake that we've seen. We have a nice rebound, which you could interpret as a 5-wave move up. I just don't want you to get too excited about it. We could have started the wave 2 pullback, and if this is a corrective pullback, then this is the support region, okay? Because a wave 2 shouldn't break below the 78.6 retracement, which is defined down here at the 78.6 Feb, 44.9 cents. It's wave 2 support. While I would prefer one more high for clarity, it doesn't mean the market has to form it. If the pullback is already unfolding, then this here might be an A wave. Somehow here a B wave is unfolding, maybe even as a triangle, and we get a C wave down. Now, don't see these micro patterns as predictive. I just want to share with you that if we go down now, it could already be the C wave, because the wave 1 wasn't here. The wave 1 didn't end here, okay? It would end if we get another high, or it already ended here. Now, if it already ended, it's not a clean 5-wave move in my interpretation. But that doesn't matter. That's just my interpretation. The support levels, the Fib levels, they are objective, okay? Because the Fib levels are defined between 44.9 cents and 48.4. Watch that support zone. And then from here, if the price can find support at either 48.4 cents, 47.4, 46.3, or 44.9, an upside reaction could follow, and the start of a 3rd wave rally. So, and again, how that integrates into the bigger picture, you'll find out if you watch the last video where I covered the daily chart, the weekly chart, and so on. We might do that in the next video again. Key is to understand, I think, that so far we have seen from the 5th of July low only a 3-wave rally, which is less clearly bullish. It's not bearish, but it's less clearly bullish because this was not a 5-wave move up. Then we have an ABC flat correction where we had 42.6 cents as support. Actually 42.6, 46.5, and 49.3. The market is holding support. And I'm just watching if the market can now generate a sustained reversal, which would become more likely and confirmed. If we get 5 waves up, okay, we might have 5 already, just not very clear yet. We get a 3-wave corrective pullback, which we might be working on right now, and then a break above resistance, which is still defined between 50.7 cents and 53.3. Bear in mind, we still need to break above resistance. Without a break of resistance, probabilities for one more low are still quite high. So this is now where I think in the next 1 or 2 days, it will be decided. Again, Bitcoin might have already started a pullback, not entirely clear yet, but Bitcoin broke a trend line. Now, what that might mean here on this chart is that also XRP might break below this trend line here and start the decline, but it's actually holding quite well, especially compared to what Bitcoin is doing right now, which might have started a bit of a pullback. Not necessarily a crash, but a bit of a pullback there. So yeah, there is not much more to add really. There's a bit of structural resistance here, the yellow trend line around 52 cents, which might be worth watching. Besides, not much more to add, and this gives you all the parameters you need to know. We might be in a process of trend reversal here, and I told you what to watch out for. That's the update about XRP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.